Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro, on the Crypto Flight edition. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. We're only going to focus on one level. If the title suggests $48,000 challenge, that has been in effect for a few days now as we had a breakthrough. And we're just going to look at the 12-hour, the daily, the 3-day, and maybe the weekly candles to see if the structural, path here is clear and ready to move higher. So that's what we're doing in this video. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Sure. So today's August the 28th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $48,682.11, slightly negative 0.8% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. Let's pull up this Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so if you're new, we've put this Fibonacci retracement level on the chart. Not sure why the screen line is down here, but we simply measured from the $59,000 level all the way down to the 29.5 level, and that's how we were able to get this Fibonacci retracement. The only level that we're focusing on this video is a white line, which is the 0.618. It is the $48,000 level. So we're taking a look at the 12-hour candles so far. It looks like it is still perfectly in line with the trend. We're making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, the market went up, rejected, higher low, higher high. So far, we got a higher low. So everything looks good as long as it's staying above that $48,000 level. Just need to take out the swing highs at about 50,000. And continue higher. Our price prediction is still the same. We actually upgraded our price prediction. Previously, we were saying Bitcoin can go to up to $48,000. That has been accomplished. Our upgraded price targets, conservative targets, long-term investors, I know it's going substantially higher, but we're looking at a $51,000 up to $53,000 Bitcoin here over the next. We can give it a good 30 days. Okay, if it starts breaking below the $48,000 level, we have to scratch this out. Okay. Because, again, this is the pivotal moment for Bitcoin to truly show strength. For those of you who are familiar with the Fibonacci retracement levels, know that the 618 level is very important. It's very powerful. If the market does have a little bit of trouble proceeding higher here, that's not what we want to see. We definitely want to see Bitcoin staying within the relative range, or at least breaking above and moving far away from the 0.618, the white line that you see on the chart there. Okay, so there's a 12-hour candle. Let's take a look at the daily candles just to see if we can see some sort of structural confirmation to suggest the market will likely move higher. Looks like we have a very slight bullish engulfing candle right here on the screen candle, August the 27th, in comparison to the previous sell candle, August the 26th. So I guess that's a pretty neat setup there. Same level, $28,000, as long as it's kind of respecting that level moving higher. That's exactly what we want to see. Take a look at the 3-day candles, see if we see anything else. Okay, the more you kind of look at the different time frames, the more clarification I think you would have in terms of what you're looking at. At least that's what I do. All right, so the 3-day candles are looking a little bit different. I'm noticing some shadows below the 3-day candles here. That's a fair setup. I mean, obviously the sellers are trying to push the price down, but the lower shadows below the candles' bodies are suggesting the buyers are like, no, we're not pushing that. That's not what we're doing. We're pushing the price higher. Okay, and that is the previous level of resistance, 48,000. So the buyers are protecting this level at about 48,000. We have about 8 hours to close on this active 3-day candle. So as long as it's staying above 48, same thing, guys. It's looking good to me. Okay, in my book. All right, so we do have a weekly candle here. We have a day and 9 hours to close on this active red weekly candle. Does it have to close as a red candle? No. As we mentioned in one of our previous videos, most of the volatile behavior in the market takes place within the last 72 hours of the weekly candle. And that's not always the case, but in some cases I have noticed that is the case. So far, in terms of all the 12-hour, the daily, and the 3-day, it looks fair. It looks like the buyers are trying to protect the $48,000 level for now. It is $48,035 precisely there if you guys wanted to know the actual number. So that's pretty much all I have. If you guys really want to just kind of make this super simple, hopefully I'll leave a link to the video right now. I pay attention to the weekly candles on the Bollinger Bands for the Bitcoin price. Just find the top lip of the Bollinger Band, and that's basically where I think Bitcoin is headed to, whether it's going to be a rejection or a breakthrough. I'm not sure, but that's how I was able to determine the target. Check that video out, guys, and pull up your Bollinger Bands. Kind of give you some homework before we close out the video here. Yeah, the Bollinger Bands on the weekly candles. Find the upper lip on the Bollinger Bands, and that should be the price here over the course of the next few weeks. All right, assuming that we don't close any red weekly candles. Okay, we don't want to see any red weekly candles. That's not good. All right, so that's all the information I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully we all clear about one level, $48,000 and like $35,000, and that's how we're going to end the video. So hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also explored the traditional stocks 7 days a week. Kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that information when it's available. All right, so thanks for stopping out. Execute your strategies. Always be kind, of course. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.